So here's a quick question for you guys. Is cat better than Kubota? My buddy Daniel from Arms Family Homestead, he is always bragging about these Kubotas he has. Well, I have a cat here today with me. I have no idea which brand's better. You guys let me decide down below. I know Daniel is selling Kubota out the, I mean, he's just all for Kubota. And I understand why. They look like an awesome product. But are the cats better than the Kubotas? You guys let me decide. You don't let me decide. You decide. You tell me down below in the comment section. But yeah, I'm gonna run this little Bobcat for a little bit while I got it on rental. Gotta get some. I'm trying to just fill in some holes with some clay, gravel, and all that. And I'll show you guys the process. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you all are having a great day today. Haven't put a video out in a few days. We've been super busy with the move. Yes, we are finally moved into the new house. We still got a few things we got to finish. So right now I'm going to show you what we got going on for tomorrow. It's really the last big project we have to do, and we're done with the house. We got a couple little things here and there inside, but not a big deal at all. We already start working on that. But what we're doing tomorrow is we're getting the porches poured. And I've had a lot of people ask me, hey Dutch, what are you doing for your porches? Are you doing wooden porches? Are you doing concrete? Are you leaving like it is? Surely you're not leaving like it is. No, we're not leaving like it was. It was just one of them things. I wanted to wait till the last minute to get this done. That way nothing happened to it. You know, a lot of people say if you get it done halfway through or just whenever, it could get messed up just by everyone walking on it, spilling paint, stain, all that. So I wanted to make sure everything's gonna be good to go. So now they got it set up ready to pour in the morning, and I'll bring you guys along for that in another video sometime. But tonight I just want to give you guys a quick update and tell you, no, I haven't disappeared. I just been super busy. We moved, and it's been kind of all over the place. I do have some footage of us moving, and I'll probably make another video on that later on. Let's check this out. So that's what's that, Gabby? So that's what they got. This is going to be our porch right here. It's going to be 4 inches or so, standard size, 3.5, whatever it is. They got it graded out. I told them they can go ahead and use that sand in there because we have a whole bunch of it. So they're using that. They put the rebar down. They'll lift that up and all that stuff. So I'll show you guys footage of them doing it tomorrow. But the porch just comes out, turns in right there. You can see, and we're just going right here to there. That way you'll still be able to see all the brick other than, you know, on that side, but you'll be able to see all that. It's going to look good. You can see here the front, and we're going to, that was kind of a debate there, is where to put the porch. Do you put all the way up even? Do you put underneath that lip? And I had several guys tell me it could go either way. It's personal preference. I'll zoom in for you right there. So we decided to go right underneath that brick line right there. You can see it where that chalk line's at. So there'll be a little step up, and you know, it's just one of the things, personal preference. I guess I really didn't care either way, but had several people say they do a lot of that way. So that's what that is. It's a big porch. The porch is like 40 by 6, 40 by 8 on a couple on the ends right there, but it's a long porch, but it's gonna look awesome when it gets done. I'm ready. This is like the final touches and all that. So I'll show you. We're also doing some in front of the garage also. So I'll walk over here and I'll show you some of that too. And then we got a sidewalk over here. I'll take you around the corner and show you that. And then before it gets dark on me, since I got this rented, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little dirt work. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of that, maybe not, I'm not sure yet. But I gotta get on here before it gets dark, but I wanted to show you all this first. So we're doing a 24 by 24 in front of the garage. It's pretty standard, I guess. Whenever you have a garage, a lot of times they do it the same as what the garage is, and I think that's what our garage inside is, 24 by 24. And they'll slope it off right through there. And then Hayden has been dying to get a basketball goal out here, so that's kind of what I've been waiting on. She'll have a big old area to play some basketball. See all that. And you know, there's a lot of people who pour concrete that watch my channel that do construction. This may not be the same way some of you guys do it. It's the way they do it out here in Oklahoma. So if it looks different it looks different. That's why they do it. I mean, it's going to look great. It's going to last a long time, and I'll be happy with it. So that's really all that matters. I'll show you this little back spot. So there's the walkway from there, you know, obviously to there, to our back porch. We gotta get rid of all that, and that's what it is, though. That's what they're doing tomorrow. They'll slope it off too. You can kind of see. Got it graded out. Okay, I wanted to show you all real quick. That's what it is. I can't wait to get done and show you all the finished product. But right now I'm gonna get that Bobcat, and I got a big ditch in here. I'm gonna fill in, and I got a lot of dirt over here I could use too if I need to. I wish I had a little bit longer, because I'd go ahead and put some more dirt down here on the ditch they did the power line. If I got time, I might do some of that too. I also got this pile of clay dirt. It's what they did my my pad with. I got it just laying right here. It's in the way from mowing and all that stuff. So I'm gonna clean it up, put it over here in a muddy spot that I got by the driveway. I'll get that cleaned up. I'll show you guys run this a little bit. I'm gonna put this bucket full right up here on the edge where it's starting to get a little bit muddy. I still got to bring in some, probably bring some, three-quarter inch in here, some crusher run, and over the top of this 3-inch I got. Not today, obviously, but before we're all said and done. Hey y'all, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Just getting some stuff done. Showed you the porches. I'll show you the pour the next couple days or so. The sheep are going crazy over here. If you guys like this video, like always, smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. Catch you guys on the next video. Well, that's a game changer, the lights. I'm gonna get some more work done. My finger just got smashed on my tripod. I'm gonna try to get some more work done with the lights. And I don't know how much more I'll film, so if this is all I get to film, thanks for watching, guys. And before anyone says anything, that's not mud I'm putting in my holes. It's actually clay gravel. That stuff is what we, like I said, probably said earlier, it's what we use for our pad to put our house on. It sets up like concrete. So that's why I'm going ahead. I got a little bit laying around. I'm gonna go ahead and fill some of these holes in with it.